This video is part of a series on file permissions, users, and groups on both Linux, Mac, and Unix type systems. This video is on managing users and groups in both Linux and Mac. On a Mac, adding and removing users and adding them to groups is still pretty easy, but the adding them to the groups and stuff can get a little complex with the command. So let's go ahead and create some users and I'll show you how to do this. I'm just going to use the GUI because it seems like that's how they want us to do it. So Apple, and then you just click the little system preferences. And then you select users and groups. And then you unlock by clicking this little unlock and entering your password. And then you can add a user with this little plus, and then you choose whether it's going to be a group, standard, administrator. So let's just do standard. Full name, I did bunny last time, so let's do lizard, I guess. I don't know. Account name, lizard. Password, we'll do our password. Password hint, lizard. Create user. And boom, lizard is created. And then you can also create groups. Again, you can delete users too. So let's delete this lizard. Sure, you want to delete the lizard. Save home folder. Delete the home folder. Want to do with the phone, and then click delete user. Okay, so delete the home folder. Delete user. Just because I don't want anything to do with the lizard. It was just a sample account. Okay, and to add a group, you would just go to new account and add group, and then you would choose the group name. Do that, but I'm not going to because I already have a group here called Bunny. Okay, so the fun part of adding users to groups and such on a Mac is these ridiculously long commands. So let's start out with the easy one first, just to check the groups that certain users are in. So let's see, groups will just give us all the groups that the current user is in. Groups bunny will tell us all the groups that bunny is in. Okay, and the next thing that we'll want to do is add a user to a group. So let's see here. So groups bunny, staff bunny, everyone, blah, 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 blah. Okay, it is not in the admin group, so let's go ahead and add groups. Let's add bunny to the admin group. So there's this really not that bad of a command, but it's kind of ridiculous for such a simple thing. So ds edit group. And I've already got it written. You can read the manual here, but I'm just going to use the post. So ds edit group, the -p is for the password prompt. -o is the operation. So we'll want to do an edit operation. So it's -o edit. And then -a is add. And then so we're going to add the user, well, we're going to add the user bunny. -t is the type, so it's a type of user, and then the group to add it to. And so it's really kind of crazy. So let's just go ahead and copy and paste this. And we want to add the user bunny to the group admin. So we're going to admin. So admin is the group that we're moving bunny to, or adding bunny to. So, and I'm pretty sure I might need sudo, but enter the password, and now we'll do groups bunny. All right, and let's see, admin, there it is. So the user is now part of the group admin. And then to delete a user, all you need to do is replace the A flag with the D flag. Because if you see -d, the record name to be deleted, -a, record name to be added. So let's go ahead and get rid of bunny out of the admin group. D. Then groups bunny, and admin is gone. So that's how you do it. So adding users and groups on Linux is really easy. You basically just use a couple of different commands. So the first one we'll do is groups, to take a look at which groups the user that we're using, which is John, is in. So that shows us the groups that we're in. And then we can take a look at the groups a different user is in by typing groups bunny to see, the groups that bunny is in. But there's no user bunny, so we'll just add one. And it's as easy as user add bunny. Well, sudo user add bunny. And then you enter the password, the sudo password, and it's created. And then you'll do sudo passwd bunny to create a password for bunny. Create a password, and it's updated. And then we can take a look at all the groups bunny is in, and it's just in the bunny group. So let's go ahead and delete bunny. Oops, sudo user del -r, so it'll delete all of the home directory and other things that are associated with the user. And then let's go ahead and clear. And now we'll create a group bunny. Group add bunny. Sudo group add bunny. Okay, and then let's go ahead and add the user. So if we want to add a user to the group, let's say we'll want to add John to the group bunny, sudo user mod -a -G bunny to choose the group, and then John. So that adds John to the group bunny. So if we do groups John, now all of a sudden you see bunny in the group. And if you want to remove, you just do sudo passwd -d John bunny, and that removes him from the group. So we'll do groups John again, and now he's gone. And then if you want to delete the group, sudo group del bunny. Another thing that I recommend you do is to read the manual on each of these commands, or any of these commands that you're curious about. You can do that with just man and group del, or man and name of the command. And then you can go up and down and read the entire instructional page on how that command works. So man, yep, and it gives you all the information. So this is basically where I found a lot of the information when I didn't know how to use these commands. And that's basically it on Linux. It's really super easy. Thanks for watching the video, everybody. I hope this was super helpful. Go ahead and check out my website, truthseekers.io, and check out all of the stuff that we have on there. I'm trying to build a community of programmers and technology enthusiasts. So check out what we have, see if you can solve some of our programming challenges and stuff like that. So yeah, check it out. Have a good day.